Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you step by step on how to use Excel and make pie chart. So here I have to come to the Excel here. When I come to the Excel here, if it is your first time, it will show you this blank document. But for me, I'm not going to use that blank document because I've already got my work. My work is already there. So what I will use is here that I'm going to use to show you how to make a pie chart. This here, my work is already here. So now there, when you're making pie chart, you come here, you type it there like that. You highlight the work, highlighting the work. You come here, you control, then you like it like this. Then when you are done, you move to insert here. Yeah, insert here, and you come and select the type of pie chart that you want from here. From here, so I'm going to use this 3D pie chart. So now from here you can see my pie chart is already here, and I've already managed to make the pie chart. The pie chart is here, indicating the names of every children's and their marks. So now you can like my video, and subscribe. I'm Boy Lawrence. Okay, thank you.